Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews.
Today, we've got a fantastic product to talk about. The Downy Ultra Liquid Fabric Conditioner, specifically designed for those with sensitive skin. If you're looking for the best liquid fabric softener that's gentle on your clothes and your skin, you're in the right place.
Let's dive right in. Let's begin by taking a closer look at the Downy Ultra Liquid Fabric Conditioner.
This product is brought to you by Downy, a trusted brand known for its high-quality fabric care solutions. What sets this fabric conditioner apart is its unique formula, making it the perfect choice for individuals with sensitive skin. Now, you may be wondering why this product is a game-changer for sensitive skin. Well, let me tell you. Downy Ultra Liquid Fabric Conditioner is hypoallergenic and dermatologist-tested. It's free of dyes and perfumes, so there's no need to worry about irritating fragrances or skin reactions. This fabric conditioner not only softens your clothes but also provides a protective layer, preventing stretching, fading, and fuzziness.
It's a win-win for both your clothes and your skin.
Another fantastic feature of the Downy Ultra Liquid Fabric Conditioner is its compatibility with high-efficiency machines. So, whether you have a regular or heat washing machine, this product will work seamlessly. The Downy Ultra Liquid Fabric Conditioner is available in various sizes to suit your needs.
You can choose from 44 ounces, 150 loads, or 190 loads.
But don't just take my word for it. Let's see what other customers have to say about this product.
It currently boasts an impressive 4.7-star rating with over 947 reviews on Amazon. Customers love the fact that it's unscented, making it perfect for those who prefer fragrance-free options.
Many users with sensitive skin have reported that it doesn't irritate their skin and leaves their clothes super soft. One customer mentioned that it was a blessing for sensitive skin, while another praised it for bringing back the softness to their towels after trying various other options. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for the best liquid fabric softener for sensitive skin, look no further than the Downy Ultra Liquid Fabric Conditioner. With its hypoallergenic, fragrance-free formula, it's designed to protect both your clothes and your skin.
That's it for today's review on Product Critique.
If you've tried this product before or have any questions, please leave your thoughts in the comments below.
And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fantastic product reviews.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.